Hi, welcome to American Sign Language. My name, Dr. Weiss. Let's play. We're going to learn our ABCs. You're going to use your dominant hand and put it right next to your face. All letters are facing outwards. This is the A. B, C, D, E, F, G, I'm going to have the thumb hidden behind, H, I, make sure it's forward, not like this, but like this, J, you're going to scoop it in, K, thumb right here, pointer finger up, middle finger up, L, M is going to take my thumb to my pinky and then the 3 down. N, thumb to ring finger and down. O, P is your K and you pop it down. Q is your G and you pop it down. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's do it all together. I'm going to sing really slow. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Are you singing with me? H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yay, you did it. I'm so proud of you. Let's learn some vocabulary. If it's a one-handed sign, I'm going to use my dominant hand. Hi is a one-handed sign. Hi. Let's sign what's up. I'm going to take both my hands like this, and this finger is going to go to my chest and push up. What's up? I'm going to lean back, have a little bit of soul to it. Let's learn how are you? How you? And I'm going to point to you. How are you? How are you? How can I answer it? I could say I'm good with good. I could say I'm bad. I'm going to throw it away. I could say I'm fine. Let's learn some other things we can say. Me and you. I'm going to point. I'm going to point to me. I'm going to point to you. My, I'm going to hold my hand to my chest. My, and if I point out like this, it's your. My, your. This is a sign for name. Dominant hand and base hand are both H's. Dominant one hits twice on top. Name. This is a sign for grow up. I'm going to start down here and I'm going to go up. Grow up. The sign for from, I'm going to take my base hand and make a 1. Dominant hand is going to make an X and start behind the base hand and pull back. From. From. Let's learn a few more signs. This is a sign for where. My hand's going to go back and forth, and my face is going to go like this. My eyebrows are going to go down. That is a non-manual marker. A WH question, my eyebrows go down, and I say, where? This is a sign for what? And my eyebrows are going to do the same thing. What? This is the sign for hearing, as a speaking person. This is the sign for deaf. From your ear to your mouth, deaf. And the last thing we're going to learn is nice to meet you. Base hand out, dominant hand's going to brush across it slowly. Nice. Pointer fingers, meet you. Nice to meet you. Let's review them. Here are some signs that will help us. Fingerspell, again. Slow. Sign goes inwards. Again, please. Now we're going to learn our numbers. These are just our basic numbers for counting 1 to 20. First, we're going to have the numbers facing us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to have my hand come out this way, and my thumb's going to go to my pinky. Think your pinky is your smallest finger, your smallest number. 6. Then I'm going to move up. 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I'm going to turn my 1 around and I'm going to flick it. 11, 12. Can't flick it, so I'm going to wiggle it. 13, 14, 15. Then I'm going to take my 6 and I'm going to shake it 2 times. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Are you ready to review? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Perfect. Let's review the vocabulary. Hi. What's up? How you? Good. Bad. Fine. Me, you, my, your. Name, grow up, from. Where, what? Hearing, deaf. Nice to meet you. Fingerspell again. Slow. Sign again, please. Let's do some fingerspelling practice. Take out paper and pen. How do you think you did? You can rewind it and watch it again before getting the answers. Okay, here are the answers. Number 1, can. Number 2, bat. Number 3, win. Number 4, fog. Number 5, the. Number 6, girl. Number 7, hat. Number 8, love. Number 9, play. And number 10, dog. Let's practice some conversations. Now I'm going to do them in English. Hi, what's up? My name, Dr. Weiss. Your name, what? Hi, my name, Bob. Florida, me grow up. You grow up where? Texas, me grow up. Let's try another one. You from where? NY, me from. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Keep practicing. You're doing amazing.